Egypt announces new archaeological discoveries. Archaeologists in Egypt have announced new discoveries at the Saqqara necropolis south of Cairo. The new discoveries include 2 human and animal embalming workshops, as well as the tombs of 2 priests. We found 2 big workshops, one for human and then used in mummifying animals. While the second workshop is for humans only, we found also beds, mummification tools, and materials. During the excavation, we also found a tomb that belonged to Ne Hesut Ba, a priest who served in the 5th dynasty of the Old Kingdom, 4,500 years ago. Announced Mostafa Waziri, head of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. This is the first time we discovered embalming workshops in Saqqara, Ed, associated with the temples. All the previous embalming workshops were related to Apis, Old Egyptian god of fertility and death, Ed, in Memphis. We also found many statues representing the masterpieces of the art in the Old Kingdom, which date back 4,500 years. And we also discovered antiquities and pieces dating back 3,300 years that represent the New Kingdom, plus some jewelry and accessories. Also, we found cheese made by ancient Egyptians, who used to store it in pottery jars and put it behind the dead. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.